Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Hytale, fail to connect to server authentication unavailable, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you three solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is the easier one. You're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN here. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 8.8.4.4. After that click OK, and then scroll down. Now make sure to untick Internet Protocol version 6 because IPv6 is having trouble with Hytale, so just uncheck this and click OK. And now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correct. So if your date and time is set incorrectly or it's not synced, then your computer has troubles connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, write here date and time, and then select your time zone on here. Once you're done with that, click set time automatically, and then click sync down here, wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now what you can do last is you can open up your game, but make sure to run it as administrator. So whenever you're trying to play your game, make sure to run the launcher as administrator. Right click on it, click run as administrator, and then run the launcher like this, and so on. When you try to play the game, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.